What up, you guys? Welcome to this new video. It's Cappuccino Garage. Hope you guys are having a great day. So we went with the diamond pattern by piping. It looks really nice. I like it. And my dad just finished the backrest last night. They look really nice. And what I'm gonna do is install them. I'll put you guys on the tripod so you guys can see how everything goes. On the sides. What I'm gonna do is put the seat cover on, and what I like to do is fold this out so it can get easier. I like putting a bag in there so it can slide nice. What it looks like. Looks really nice. And what I'm gonna do is put some steamer on here and you won't see those wrinkles anymore. Alright guys, so both seats are done. What I'm gonna do is clean them up real quick and put them on the bug after the bug is vacuumed and cleaned out. So my dad got the wrinkles on that one off. This one has wrinkles, but they look really nice. So door panel's done. Look at that. Looks really nice. It was made into a 3-piece door panel. It's really nice. Has a really thick foam padding. Really cool stuff. It pops out really nice. So what I'm gonna do right now is just cut the holes for the windows, and I'll show you guys how it looks when it's ready. Door panel's on. Door handles are on. And I got the speedometer bezel chrome on. And right now I'm just cleaning things out that I don't need. And we're getting the rear door panel done. This side's gonna get done as well, and then I can put the rear seat on. I got this duct insulation, peel and seal. Gonna put it right there in the back. Gonna put it there for the firewall and make it look nicer. Might put another strip up there and on the side, so let's see. I'll do that later and I'll show you guys how that goes. Alright guys, what's up? We've gotten pretty far on the bug. I put some insulation wrap inside the bay. It looks a lot better. And what I'm gonna do is put some right up there. See, as much as I can get in there, so that, because I didn't paint in there, it just make it a little nicer. And inside I have both door panels on. They look so nice. The bug's looking really nice. And my dad just finished the rear door panels, and I'm gonna glue them on and finish installing everything so I can vacuum the whole bug inside. Gonna do a quick detail on the outside, wash it up, make it look really nice, and then I will see you guys tomorrow at Shark Fest. This bug is on a budget, Rust-Oleum paint job, lowered in the front, lowered in the back with some coilovers on the back, LED headlights, and new turn signals, new doorknobs front on the outside, got plenty new things on here, new seals all around, and basically it's like a full restoration but on a budget. So hope you guys enjoy it. Hope you guys enjoyed these videos, and I'll see you guys at Shark Fest. I'll probably shoot some video over there and make another video. So thanks for watching this. I will get back with you guys in the end once everything's done and settled, everything's clean, and I'll shoot a little. This is outside getting wet, got some water out there, but anyways, I'll show you guys it in the video, everything cleaned up, and hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, so I got the rear seat on. Matthias loves it. You like it? Yeah. I put seat belts on both sides, OEM Volkswagen seat belts. I love them. They look really nice, and everything lines up both sides. Door panels are on. Hold on, puppy. Door panels. So it's looking really nice. Seats are on. Door panels are on. All I gotta do is clean up. Very last thing I gotta do, and then I'm gonna detail the whole thing. So I made a license plate holder for the bug. Everything looks nice. There you go. Let me know what you guys think. Have the whole car vacuumed. Everything's really clean from what I see right now, and tomorrow during daylight I'm gonna go over everything, just make sure everything's looking nice. And yeah, so all the windows are clean on the inside. I just gotta clean the outside. Might just polish the car, and that should be it. I'm not gonna cut and buff it, but I think a polish will do for now. I bought this ceramic wax by Meguiar's. I've been wanting to try it. And then this waterless wash and wax when I get over there. Just gonna do a quick detail. So I bought all this stuff and I just did the ceramic seal. Looks really nice. Headliner, no wrinkles. I love no wrinkles. Diamond pleats. This is really nice stuff. Love the gauge, it pops out so much. And door shut really good. No problem, new seals. Got the intake on the turbo. Everything's on. Custom made license plate holder with aluminum. It's probably gonna move a lot, but I don't care. Looks really nice. So I'm gonna go out, take it for a spin, and take some quick pics of it.